Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create Justin Bieber baby transition video using CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my CapCut application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to go to the CapCut templates, okay, right here, and make sure you have prepared your video or your footage. Okay, and then here we can go to the search menu and you're going to search for Justin Bieber transition. Okay, and then there will be a lot of videos using this template and you can choose one of them. I'm going to choose this one. Okay, and then we're going to click on use template. Okay, and then you're going to upload your video. Okay, and then I'm just going to choose this video. Okay, I have recorded my video guys, and I'm going to create the Justin Bieber transition video with this one, but sorry because I only took 2 videos, so for the rest of it I'm going to pick random video from my gallery. Okay, I'm just going to pick random video here just to fill the template. Okay, like this, and I'm going to click on next. Okay, and then you're going to select the part of your video. If you want to crop or you want to select the other part of your video, just go to the crop menu. Okay, and then I'm going to choose this part for the first one, and for this part I'm going to choose wait, let me choose the part. Okay, you can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with how it looks. Okay, I think this one. And let's play it guys. I'm going to play it to show you. Wait. Okay, sorry, it's not smooth. Okay. Okay, and let me play it again to adjust it. Okay, yeah, it will create something like that, and you can create that type of videos. But sorry for the third until the sixth part. I just put on random videos from my gallery. Okay, and once you're done, you can click on export, and then you're going to click on export without watermark, and the video will be exported to your device and you will be able to upload it to your social media. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create Justin Bieber baby transition video. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.